Say happy Father's Day, Papa. Say I love you, Papa. Say I love you. Say I love you. I love you. Oh, yes, Avery. Hey. Avery. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you. Love you. Say Papa. Papa. Avery, say Papa. Oh well, maybe later. Maybe later you'll say Papa. Say bye-bye, Papa. Say have a good day.
Good day.
Hey, Brayden, who made you?
Yeah.
Good. What else did God make? All things. Good. How many persons are in the Godhead? How many persons are in the Godhead? 3. Good. Why did God make you and all things? His glory. Yay. Yeah.
Da 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 da.